If your PC isn't blazing along at the same pace it did when you first pressed the power button a few weeks, months, or years ago, well, we just got a thing for you.
Filehorse.com.
Hello everybody, this is Joe from Filehorse, and today we present you System Mechanic Professional. System Mechanic Professional uses patented technology to restore speed, power, and stability to your PC. It fixes errors, boosts performance, defends against infections, and proactively prevents problems from reoccurring. This is all-in-one solution for your complete PC optimization. Also provides online backup, recovers delete files, securely wipes data, and includes high-performance, triple certified antivirus protection that won't slow you down. System Mechanic already includes more than 50 tools that work seamlessly to boost speed, fix problems, and maximize performance. But new versions include new technologies that can protect your PC from stability threats more precisely and more intelligently than ever before. Some of the features of System Mechanic Professional are: blocks malware. It has certified antivirus, anti-spyware that blocks latest threats using advanced dual-engine security. Protects privacy. Safely and permanently removes your most sensitive files with military-grade data wiping technology. Recovers data. Retrieves many lost and accidental deleted files including photos, videos, and documents. Removes bloatware. Identifies unwanted startup programs that slow you down by launching and running without your knowledge. Boosts speed. Automatically increases the speed and availability of your CPU, RAM, and hard drive resources when you launch high-demand apps for the smoothest gaming, editing, and streaming. Repairs problems. Finds and fixes over 30,000 different problems using intelligent live updates from iolo labs to keep your PC stable and error-free. Unleashes internet speed. Automatically optimizes hidden Windows internet settings for faster downloads, snappier page loads, less buffering, improved video quality, and smoother gaming. Cleans out Clutter, removes over 50 types of hidden junk files to free up valuable disk space and makes more room for your documents, movies, music, and photos. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. You can download this software from filehorse.com.